If acid reflux, constipation, bloating, or sluggish digestion has started disrupting your daily life, you are not alone. Many older adults in the United States experience these uncomfortable digestive problems. The good news is that simple, gentle exercises can naturally improve digestion, reduce discomfort, and help your stomach and intestines work more efficiently. Number 1. Walking after meals. One of the simplest and most effective exercises for preventing digestive problems is walking after meals. Many older adults in the United States experience acid reflux, bloating, and constipation because food moves too slowly through the digestive tract. A gentle 10 to 20-minute walk after eating can stimulate the stomach and intestines, helping food move more efficiently. This reduces the pressure that often causes acid reflux and heartburn. Walking also encourages the natural contractions of the intestines known as peristalsis. These contractions help move waste through the colon, reducing the risk of constipation. Unlike intense exercise, walking is gentle on the body and suitable for most seniors. It can be done indoors, outdoors, or even around the house after dinner. To get the best results, wait about 10 minutes after eating, then walk at a comfortable pace. Avoid walking too fast or engaging in strenuous activity immediately after a meal, as this may worsen reflux. Consistent daily walking can improve digestion, reduce bloating, support regular bowel movements, and increase overall energy levels. For many people, this simple habit becomes one of the easiest ways to maintain better digestive health naturally. Number 2. Seated knee-to-chest exercise. The seated knee-to-chest exercise is excellent for relieving constipation and improving slower digestion. This gentle movement helps stimulate the abdominal organs and encourages the intestines to move waste more effectively. It is especially useful for older adults who may have limited mobility or difficulty performing floor exercises. To perform this exercise, sit upright in a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift one knee toward your chest using your hands for support if needed. Hold the position for 5 to 10 seconds, then lower the leg back down. Repeat with the other knee. Continue alternating legs for about 10 repetitions on each side. This movement gently compresses the abdomen, which can help release trapped gas and reduce bloating. It also improves circulation to the digestive organs, supporting healthier digestion. Because it is done while seated, it is safe and accessible for many seniors. For best results, practice this exercise once or twice daily, especially in the morning or after meals. Regular use can help reduce constipation, improve bowel regularity, and make digestion feel less sluggish over time. It is a simple yet powerful addition to a daily digestive health routine. Number 3. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle yoga movement that can help improve digestion and reduce abdominal discomfort. This exercise increases flexibility in the spine while also massaging the digestive organs. Many older adults find it helpful for bloating, gas, and slower digestion. Begin on your hands and knees or modify the movement while seated if getting on the floor is difficult. As you inhale, arch your back gently and lift your chest. As you exhale, round your back and tuck your chin slightly. Move slowly and comfortably between these two positions. The alternating motion creates a gentle massage effect on the stomach and intestines. This can help stimulate digestion and encourage the movement of food and waste through the digestive tract. It may also relieve tension in the abdomen and lower back, which can contribute to digestive discomfort. Perform the cat-cow stretch for 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on slow breathing. Avoid forcing the movement or moving too quickly. With regular practice, this exercise can help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and promote relaxation. It is especially beneficial when done in the morning or after sitting for long periods during the day. Number 4. Diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as deep belly breathing, is a powerful exercise for improving digestion and reducing acid reflux. Stress and shallow breathing can interfere with normal digestive function, causing bloating, indigestion, and discomfort. This exercise helps relax the nervous system and supports healthier digestion. Sit comfortably or lie down on your back. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Slowly inhale through your nose, allowing your belly to rise while keeping your chest relatively still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your belly fall. This type of breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system. When the body is relaxed, digestion works more efficiently. Diaphragmatic breathing can also reduce pressure in the abdomen, which may help lessen acid reflux symptoms. Practice this exercise for 5 to 10 minutes each day, especially after meals or before bedtime. Many older adults notice reduced bloating, less heartburn, and improved overall digestive comfort. Because it is gentle and easy to perform, it is suitable for most people and can be done almost anywhere. Number 5. Gentle torso twists. Gentle torso twists can help stimulate digestion, reduce bloating, and encourage regular bowel movements. This exercise works by gently compressing and releasing the abdominal area, which can help the intestines move waste more effectively. To perform this exercise, sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on your thighs or the sides of the chair. Slowly rotate your upper body to one side, keeping your hips facing forward. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the center. Repeat on the other side. Avoid twisting too far or forcing the movement. The goal is a gentle, comfortable rotation. This exercise can help release trapped gas, improve circulation to the digestive organs, and reduce feelings of fullness after meals. Perform 10 to 15 twists on each side once or twice daily. Many older adults find it especially helpful after sitting for long periods or after eating. With regular practice, gentle torso twists can support healthier digestion, reduce constipation, and make the abdomen feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. Number 6. Standing side bends. Standing side bends are an excellent low-impact exercise for improving digestion and relieving bloating. As people age, the muscles surrounding the abdomen can become tighter and less active, which may slow the digestive process. This gentle movement stretches the sides of the body while encouraging better blood flow to the stomach and intestines. Increased circulation helps digestive organs function more efficiently and may reduce feelings of heaviness after meals. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet about shoulder-width apart and your knees slightly bent. Raise your right arm overhead and slowly bend your upper body to the left without leaning forward. Hold the stretch for 5 to 10 seconds while breathing deeply, then return to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side. Complete 10 repetitions on each side at a slow, controlled pace. Avoid bouncing or forcing the stretch beyond your comfort level. Focus on smooth breathing throughout the movement. Practicing standing side bends every day can reduce abdominal tightness, improve flexibility around the digestive organs, and encourage healthy intestinal movement. Combined with proper hydration and a balanced diet rich in fiber, this simple exercise can help reduce constipation, improve digestion, and make everyday activities feel more comfortable for older adults who want to maintain a healthier digestive system naturally. Number 7. Pelvic tilts. Pelvic tilts are a gentle exercise that strengthens the core muscles while supporting better digestive health. Weak abdominal muscles can contribute to slower bowel movements and poor posture, both of which may affect digestion. This movement gently massages the abdominal organs, encourages intestinal activity, and can help relieve constipation and bloating. It is especially beneficial for older adults because it places very little stress on the joints. Lie comfortably on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides. Slowly tighten your abdominal muscles and gently flatten your lower back against the floor by tilting your pelvis upward. Hold the position for 5 seconds while breathing normally, then slowly return to the starting position. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times. Move slowly and avoid holding your breath during the exercise. The gentle rocking motion helps improve blood circulation to the digestive organs while strengthening the muscles that support healthy posture. Better posture can also reduce pressure on the stomach, which may lessen symptoms of acid reflux. Practicing pelvic tilts daily can improve digestive comfort, reduce constipation, and increase core stability. Over time, this simple exercise helps older adults feel stronger, move more confidently, and support healthier digestion through natural body movement and improved muscle function every single day. Number 8. Chair marching. Chair marching is an effective exercise for stimulating digestion while remaining safe and accessible for older adults with limited mobility. Long periods of sitting can slow the digestive system and increase the likelihood of constipation, bloating, and sluggish bowel movements. Chair marching gently activates the abdominal muscles and improves blood circulation, encouraging food and waste to move more efficiently through the digestive tract. Sit upright in a sturdy chair with both feet flat on the floor. Tighten your abdominal muscles slightly and slowly lift one knee as high as is comfortable. Lower it back down and repeat with the opposite leg, creating a gentle marching motion. Swing your arms naturally if it feels comfortable. Continue marching for 2 to 5 minutes while maintaining steady breathing. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning too far backward. If you become tired, pause briefly before continuing. This exercise is gentle enough to perform every day and can even be done while watching television or talking with family members. Regular chair marching increases circulation throughout the body, supports stronger abdominal muscles, and stimulates natural intestinal contractions that help prevent constipation. When combined with healthy eating habits, adequate water intake, and regular movement, chair marching becomes an easy daily habit that supports comfortable digestion and better overall health for older adults throughout the United States and beyond. Number 9. Gentle Yoga Child's Pose. Child's Pose is a relaxing yoga exercise that gently stretches the lower back, hips, and abdominal area while helping improve digestion. Stress and muscle tension often contribute to digestive discomfort, bloating, and acid reflux. This calming position encourages deep breathing and relaxation, allowing the digestive system to function more effectively through activation of the body's natural rest and digest response. Begin by kneeling on a comfortable mat with your knees slightly apart. Slowly sit back toward your heels and reach your arms forward as you lower your chest toward the floor. Rest your forehead gently on the mat if comfortable. Breathe slowly and deeply, allowing your abdomen to expand with each breath. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds before slowly returning to a seated position. If kneeling is uncomfortable, use pillows or perform a modified version while seated in a chair by leaning forward onto a table. Never force the stretch or continue if you experience pain. Regular practice of child's pose can reduce abdominal tension, encourage healthier digestion, relieve bloating, and promote relaxation. It also improves flexibility in the lower back and hips, making everyday movement easier. Adding this gentle yoga stretch to your daily routine can help older adults enjoy improved digestive comfort while supporting both physical and emotional well-being every day. Number 10. Full body stretching routine. A gentle full body stretching routine is one of the best daily habits for supporting healthy digestion and preventing common digestive problems. Stretching improves blood circulation, increases flexibility, reduces muscle tension, and encourages regular body movement, all of which contribute to better digestive function. For older adults, remaining physically active throughout the day is essential because inactivity often leads to slower digestion, constipation, and bloating. Begin with slow neck rolls, shoulder rolls, and arm stretches. Continue with gentle side stretches, seated hamstring stretches, calf stretches, and light ankle rotations. Finish by taking several deep breaths while standing tall and relaxing your entire body. Perform each stretch slowly, holding it for 15 to 20 seconds without bouncing. Focus on smooth breathing throughout the routine. This complete stretching session can be finished in about 10 to 15 minutes and is suitable for most fitness levels. Stretching not only improves flexibility but also encourages gentle movement of the digestive organs through increased circulation and relaxed muscles. When practiced consistently, it helps reduce digestive discomfort, supports regular bowel movements, and improves overall mobility. Combined with walking, drinking enough water, eating fiber-rich foods, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, a daily full-body stretching routine provides long-term benefits for digestive health. It is a simple, safe, and effective way for older adults to feel more energetic, comfortable, and confident while naturally supporting a healthier digestive system every single day.